Hi guys, good day everyone. This is Jay. I'm here now with Miss Universe Philippines Siargao
Yes.
with Million. Hi Million.
Yes. Hi everyone. I am Million Jumutinagar Cabigas from the beautiful island of Siargao. And we
Ayun.
are now here at Wendy's and we are really having fun with all the girls. And thank you to all the medias out there for really coming here. We appreciate you all.
All right. Thank you so much, dear, and congratulations. Anyway, let's talk about how was your Miss Universe Philippines journey so far.
Oh yeah, it is really great, and I am really grateful for everything that Miss Universe Philippines organization has given us, the opportunities and activities. We really treasure everything.
Ayun. Well, let's talk about your press presentation experience. How was it?
Yeah, it's really good, and we are so happy. We are having fun there, and we are really glad for having us be presented to the press.
Yeah. How does it feel that you are competing with 68 empowered women in the Philippines?
Competing with the other girls, we have 68 equally beautiful girls. Of course, I am thrilled enough to experience this kind of big event in Philippines. So wait for more.
Ayun. I guess you were the first ever candidates for Miss Universe
Sure,
Philippines,
Siargao.
Siargao.
I think pangdalawa. Pangalawa.
So, ibang local or same local
Same
franchise?
local franchise.
Bongga.
Yeah. So stay tuned because we were having more preparations right now for Siargao Island.
Talking to your preparations, how was it?
It's really nice, and I am very hands-on. I am a candidate na hands-on pa sa lahat. And for my outfits and wardrobes, yeah, ako pa din po yung may say. Yes.
Wow, bongga.
Thank you for the local franchise director and for my sponsor, Madam Infinity, for supporting every details that I want in my competition.
So
Yeah.
meaning all your outfits and as well as for the national costume, ikaw nagde-decide?
Yes. Yeah, it's a collaboration, I think, for the design for my natkos, but still, it's within my approval po. So I am really grateful for my sponsor. Yeah.
Congratulations,
Yeah, thank you
dear,
so
for that.
much.
And one last thing, what's your message to all your MUPA sisters?
Oh, for my MUPH sisters, you are all beautiful, and I am so delighted to be with you all in this journey. And it is truly worthy to remember.
Ayun. Obviously, we're here now at Wendy's Philippines. What are you looking forward for this partnership?
Oh, for Wendy's, of course, I am really happy to be here today. I'm looking forward for this partnership to be something more exciting. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Million.
Thank you.
Social media platforms mo.
Oh, my social media platform, just follow me for my Facebook account, Million J Montenegro Cabigas, and for my IG, Million Cabigas. Also, Million Cabigas for my TikTok account.
Thank you,
you.
dear. And best of luck sa journey mo.
Thank you po.